Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on adding simple fractions, part 2. Sometimes when we add simple fractions, we get an answer where the numerator is larger than the denominator. We need to convert this answer to a mixed number or a mixed fraction. Okay, so mixed number and mixed fraction mean the same thing in this video. So here's our first example, 3 over 7 plus 4 over 7 plus 5 over 7. If you remember from the previous video, because the denominators are the same, we're allowed to add the numerators together. So that gives us 3 plus 4 plus 5 over 7, which gives us 12 over 7. Now to convert this to a mixed number, 7 into 12 goes once, with a remainder of 5, so it's 1 5/7. And to quickly check that that's correct, I'll only do this once. 7 ones are 7, plus 5 is 12, 12 over 7. Okay, so they are both the same. They have the same value. There we go. Example 2, 2 over 13 plus 6 over 13 plus 9 over 13. That gives us 2 plus 6 plus 9 all over 13. If you add 2 plus 6 plus 9, that gives you 17, which is 17 over 13. 13 into 17 goes once, with a remainder of 4. And the answer then is 1 4/13. Example 3. 1 over 10 plus 3 over 10 plus 7 over 10 plus 9 over 10. All the denominators are the same, so we add the four numerators together. 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 9 all over 10. That gives us 20 over 10. And sometimes we're very lucky because it works out to be a whole number. And it does in this case because 20 divided by 10 gives us 2. So in this particular instance, the answer is a whole number. Example 4. 1 over 16 plus 7 over 16 plus 9 over 16 plus 11 over 16. Since the denominators are the same, we are allowed to add the numerators. When you add the numerators together, 11 plus 9, that gives us 20, plus 7 plus 1, that gives us 28. So we have 28 over 16. Now what happens here, you can see that they're both even numbers. So if we know our tables correctly, we know that we can divide the numerator and denominator by 4 to simplify this fraction. 4 into 28 goes 7. 4 into 16 goes 4. So that's actually 7 over 4, which is 1 3/4. So this video has continued to show us how to add simple fractions together, and we've seen how when the answer gives us the situation where the numerator is larger than the denominator, we just change the answer to a mixed fraction or a mixed number.